Hello, sixth grade, Miss Marina here. Today we are going to start the exercise of the week video. I posted the first part of this video with the audio for reading, the Become a Reader part from page 91 to page 101. And today we are going to continue with the exercise from page 102 about the text. So, exercise number 1. Read Antarctica, the world's wildest continent, and fill the following table with either cause or effect of the statements mentioned. So, we here have a table, a chart with two columns. The first one is written here, the cause, and the second, the effect. For example, the land in Antarctica is too cold and dry. So we have a cause, we have a fact about Antarctica, that the land there is too cold and dry, okay? And the effect of this coldness and dryness is that few animals and plants can survive year-round on land in Antarctica. So because of the climate in Antarctica, the animals and plants cannot not all animals and plants can survive there. So I'm giving the reason what happens because of this climate in Antarctica. So let's take a look at the second effect that we have here. It is more dangerous for the ships to navigate in Antarctica than in other places. So you're going to go back to the text and you're going to to read it again to find why is it dangerous for the ships to navigate there, okay? Um, Next effect. Day and night are unusual in Antarctica. You're going to go back to the text once again, and you're going to take a look why day and night are unusual there, okay? What is the reason? What's the cause for this to happen? And then we have one cause, the second cause here. The rays of the sun are so strong in Antarctica that they can burn your skin. So you know that the rays of sun are too strong in Antarctica and it can burn our skin. So what happens then? Okay, what do the people that go there should do because of these rays of sun, right? How these rays of sun affect these people, affect Antarctica, okay? So that's it. You're going to try to find the effect, what happens then because of with these rays of sun, okay? Then on exercise 2, we have to answer the following in incomplete sentence. This is a personal exercise, okay? This whole page is kind of personal. Some of them I can correct with you like this, but it's not going to be just like your answer. It's impossible because each person is going to write the information differently. But we have a lot of exercises that are personal. So that's why on the planning of this week, I sent you that you have to take a picture of page 102 and post it to me in the platform, right? So this is an activity that you have to give back to me so I can check that you have made it. So let's take a look on this second exercise. Answer the following incomplete sentence. Name two things you like about Antarctica and explain. You are going to find two things that you like about Antarctica and explain. You can use information by the text or some information that you found on the internet or something that you think about Antarctica. And you're going to explain why you chose these two things. Then on letter B, you're going to name two things you dislike about Antarctica, two things that you don't like. So, for example, it's too cold, the climate, and etc. So you're going to explain, I don't like the climate because I'm too sensible to cold, these kind of things. And then on letter C, you're going to say if you would visit Antarctica or if you wouldn't visit Antarctica. So do you want to go there or don't want to go there? Okay, and why? and the reason why you want or not to go there. Okay, this is personal. I'm not going to correct you. You're going to send to me, okay, by the platform. I'm going to create a topic there and you're going to post there to me. You're going to upload there. Now, exercise number 3. Review the purpose the author of this article could have had for writing it and check those which seem real to you. Explain your answers. So we're going to take try to guess why the author, what message the author wanted to give us, for who, etc. So here we have some options, and if you agree with these options, you're going to check them. So the first one, that the author wanted to scare people away. They wanted to say to people that Antarctica is scary. Okay. Um, Letter B, advertise Antarctica for many people to go there. Advertise is doing like propaganda, okay, publicity, and say that Antarctica is good, etc., and convince people to go there. So if you agree with this, if you think that this is what the author wanted to do, too, you're going to check also. So letter C, describe Antarctica in detail with all its dangers and attractions, and he wanted to describe the Antarctica very detailed in detail with all its dangers. So talking about dangers, attractions, what can you do there, what you cannot do, what's dangerous, etc. Letter D, the author wanted to convince others that the Antarctica Treaty is functioning very well. So the text is all about the Antarctica Treaty and how is it functional. The treaty from the end of the text. Remember the treaty with a lot of all countries are part of Antarctica. Antarctica is part of all countries' territory, right? So letter E, do you think the author could have had some other reason? So if you think that's another reason, you're going to check and you're going to write which reason is that, okay? So if you think, oh, the author wanted to show us how risky it is to go to Antarctica, so you're going to write here, it's your choice. You're going to find the explanation that best goes with you, what you thought while reading, right? So, exercise number 4. The article you have read doesn't have many fantastic elements as it presents facts about Antarctica. It's informative text, is a text that gives information, facts about Antarctica. So there's no fantastic elements, no things that are not real. So you have to rewrite the sentences ABC and add some fantastic aspects or exaggerations. So, for example, people who visit Antarctica face many challenges. For example, I want to put some fantasy here like monsters. So, people who visit Antarctica face many challenges like monsters. So, I'm giving a fantastic element, a fictional element to the sentence. That's what I want you to do. That's what the book wants you to do. So, letter B, people with a lot of food in Antarctica. So you can say something exaggerating here, for example, a reason why people eat a lot of food, etc. On letter C, people staying in Antarctica plan fun activities. Okay, so they're talking because Antarctica is kind of bored, that people have do some fun games, people who are working there, and then you can, I don't know, suppose what games are that, and say like, oh, they're going to do a championship of soccer there in the ice or something that is very unpredictable, very fantastic or exaggerated. Okay, so that's it for page 102. Don't forget to send to me by your platform. I'm going back on part 3 of this video explaining page 104. See you later. Bye bye.